Give me some brew and I might just chill, but I'm the type that like to light another joint like Cypress is. I still do be spit.
So we didn't catch any brown trout. I had one play with my fly. I had like this yellow fly, and I don't know. I set it to the bottom. It was like kind of like tweaking out a little bit. Nothing happened. So definitely gonna be coming back here. Check out this place. It's freaking gorgeous. So, yeah, sorry I didn't get a brown trout or a brook trout, but so I'm gonna be stocking up here. Start buying some more and start coming out here. This place is beautiful, man. I'll get some more shots as I'm leaving. It's just beautiful. I've never been out here before, but I'll show you.